Hello from TreeNature.com. This is Mark Josie. As you see here, we got a TIPX pistol linked with a HPA or remote host adapter right here. Okay, so what we're going to do today is show you how to use HPA with the TIPX pistol without using any remote host but still using HPA. So what I am doing today is, first of all, you need your gun to have a empty CO2 inside so that it's going to hold the pressure just like usual. Okay, and now what you need is a few mags, HPA tank. This is a normal HPA tank. If you want your gun to fire at 280 FPS ish with HPA, please use a 1000 PSI output or use the 920 PSI output tank. Basically, you can get a Gorilla G3 regulator tank, and that Gorilla G3 will come with 3 shims. Put all 3 shims into the tank and you will get you will get up to 920 PSI output. And then that kind of pressure output hook up to the TIPX will get you about 280-ish FPS to 300 FPS range. So if you want higher FPS, 1000 PSI output will get you even higher. Okay, so basically what you need is this, and then one of these CP CP brand. So what this thing is about is that I got this from a airgun site, and you can see the link. And so basically this thing is a on-off ASA with a quick disconnect female adapter right here. Okay, so what I need to do is really just like that and couple it up. Okay, right now this ASA, there's the on-off, so you turn it all the way up, and so the pin valve is not poking anywhere. Now we just screw in the tank like this, and there you go. So basically you can use the gun as is like that. It's pretty cool, and I know it doesn't look great, like it doesn't really look really fancy, happy looking, but it works for home shooting, and that's the main thing I want to do. Like you want to shoot at home, you want to use HPA, but you don't want a clumsy hose. Okay, so let me just load them up with the 3.9 gram rubber balls. These are riot control balls, and we'll be shooting 3 mags just to test it out. And don't forget, guys, the HPA tank, you can pump it back up with a hand pump, PCP hand pump, or using a compressor, and it's like free air that you can use all the time without worrying about all the crazy fancy shit about like CO2. Okay, so 3 mags of shots. Okay, let's get going. So what I need to do right now is air up the gun first, and what you need to do is turn this all the way down. Okay, all the way down. Now the gun is aired up, and remember, keep the thing aired up all the way down, like really press down on this thing, or else it will get loosened up and back off. Okay, now you see my gun, it's not really dangling, but you can still see like it's sort of moving. Okay, if you look at that, if I turn my gun like this, it's going to move. Okay, well, not very fast though, it's not dangling around. Okay guys, let's get some shooting done. This is a 850 PSI output tank, so it's not supposed to be very powerful. Maybe we'll bring our chrono over too, just to check. Okay guys, might as well do a chronograph test. Okay, 282, that's pretty good. 287. 288. Hey, this setup is better. 287. Okay guys, we're using the MRT bolt and the MRT spring inside, and it gave me a very good result. Okay, let me just fire that. As you can see, some action shooting going on. Okay, and then to change the mag, you can still change the mag, but move your hand over. Okay, 7 rounds. Let's go again. So for home shooting, and this thing is not blocking your view. If you like, you can even put it right here so that it sort of rests on your hand if you like. But then if you have it straight down, it's not going to block the center. So right now I can still see my iron sight, and it's very, very good. If you look at it this way, it looks kind of weird, but when you hold it and imagine like all that free air you can use, it's very amazing. So let's do 7 more shots. Okay, we just did the 7th shot. I'm trying to see if I can really use the same hand to eject the mag by having the tank right here. Now I can do my quick reload, okay? Okay, done. Hey, we can do it. That's pretty good. Okay, so after shooting 3 mags, what I need to do is degas the gun. So turn this, if you can see it, turn this all the way up, and it will degas the gun. Woo! Puff of air, and it's degassed. See? So do we have any air inside the gun right now? Yes, it should have. Take a look. See, because the air is held inside the CO2 right here, and that is where the air goes. Okay, so right now there's no more air. So basically that's how you use the TIPX with HPA, still shooting very, very nicely, and also using HPA at home. You know, it doesn't look really good, but compared to having a hose dangling down your waist and very clumsily, this is a very nice option for home shooting, and I really do like it. So basically that's the review today. Hope you guys like it. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye bye.